Should I invest in stocks or mutual funds? This is a question that often crosses our minds. Well, in this video, I will help you answer that. Keep watching. With stocks, maybe you will buy 5, 10 or 15 of them because you may have a limited amount to invest. But with mutual funds, you get exposure to as many as 50 or 60 stocks without putting in a big investment. Mutual funds do this by pooling money from many investors to invest in these stocks and issuing units to investors. So if you have a small amount of money to invest, mutual funds are a good choice because they allow you to invest in a variety of assets even with a smaller amount of money. SIPs and mutual funds can be started with an amount as low as 500 rupees. Stocks, as we know, move up and down, and the performance of one stock may not make up for the losses or gains of another. But with mutual funds, the risk is lower because they contain a mix of investments, meaning they are more diversified. If you want to invest in equities and have a lower risk appetite, then you can opt for an equity diversified mutual fund. Choosing which stock to buy and which stock to stay away from is difficult. One wrong stock pick has the potential of wiping out your entire savings. But mutual funds are managed by professional managers with years of experience. They know the art and science as well of stock picking. We've all heard the phrase, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Well, this holds true even in the case of investments. In order to minimize risks, you must diversify your investments. And diversification is possible when you have multiple stocks in your portfolio. Now, as you know by now, mutual funds provide more opportunities for diversification because they include a variety of stocks and sometimes even other asset classes all within one single fund. If you are new to the market, it's best to start with a mutual fund. And when you feel confident, you may consider adding stocks to your portfolio. To kickstart your investment journey, log on to www.kotakmf.com.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.